Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak It Well English. I'm Eric.
And I'm Jessica. Today we have a fun topic, how to talk about your best moments in English.
Yes, we'll teach you some simple phrases and give real examples. It's perfect for beginners.
Before we start, don't forget to like this podcast and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, first phrase, one of my best moments was.
Repeat with me. One of my best moments was.
Great! You can use this to start talking about a happy memory. For example, one of my best moments was my birthday last year.
Perfect. Another phrase is I really enjoyed.
Yes, for example, I really enjoyed my trip to the beach.
Notice how we use enjoyed for happy times. Try saying, I really enjoyed my first day at school.
Good job. Now let's try a short conversation.
Jessica, can you tell me one of your best moments?
Sure. One of my best moments was visiting my grandma. I really enjoyed baking cookies with her.
That sounds so nice. I want to try. One of my best moments was learning to ride a bike. I really enjoyed practicing every day.
Perfect! You're improving already.
Another useful phrase, I felt really.
Yes, we use it to talk about feelings. For example, I felt really proud when I finished my first painting.
Or, I felt really happy when my friend called me.
You can repeat after me. I felt really happy.
And don't forget, you can also combine phrases. For example, one of my best moments was my birthday. I really enjoyed the party. I felt really happy. This way, you can exactly combine all the phrase.
Exactly! Now let's do a quick practice. I'll say a phrase and you repeat it. Are you ready repeating after me?
Yes, I am ready.
One of my best moments was my first concert.
One of my best moments was my first concert.
I really enjoyed the music.
I really enjoyed the music.
I felt really excited.
I felt really excited.
Awesome, you're doing great.
Let's recap the key phrases.
One of my best moments was, I really enjoyed. I felt really.
Use them together to talk about your happy memories.
And here's a fun question for our listeners. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your answer.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, and remember, every day you speak, you improve.
See you next time on Speak It Well English.